Yeah, and I've been thinking about whether I've got some use cases in my current clientele, and I think my biggest client is Kronos, the Kronos Group, which is our the mother company above Biztory,
Yeah.
and above 600 other companies. So we're basically providing reports to 1,200 different managers of 600 different companies that are all focusing on their own very own, very particular KPI. Someone wants to keep an eye on the marketing evolution or the marketing spend evolution, whereas someone else is very obsessed with their headcount or with how their well, everyone's obsessed with their profit ratio, I guess, or utilization rate, stuff like that. And this, we've been trying to build a or multiple dashboards that both offer the flexibility to pick your own KPI, and while I think we've achieved in doing so, I feel like Pulse is an answer here to this particular use case as well, because I could just curate some data sources, create some pulses on it, and have people say, look, just browse through the list of pulses that you currently want to follow, subscribe to them, and you'll either be seeing them the moment that you open up our Tableau server, or they will be sent to you in Slack or via mail. And you even get the ability to click on the little detail button next to your polls and see some highlights, some bar charts referring to the current situation. I think that would probably solve a lot of my current challenges at this client, especially because metrics were limited to non-row level security
Right.
data sources. And in this case, we're using a lot of user filters, we're using a lot of row level security. And I've been told by Tableau that Pulse will support row level security.
Yeah. See, when I think of clients or different companies that we're working with, we work with some big companies, but some of those big companies have small data teams that are really working quite flat out to facilitate all the different requests of different dashboards and different analysis that they need to support the business with. So when I think of those sort of companies, I think of Tableau Pulse being really something that's going to alleviate that pressure on those data teams, because managers or analysts are going to be able to set up and look at the real key measures that they want to look at and to monitor, and without having to go to the data team to build them something. So then the data team can actually spend their time building some not more meaningful, that's the wrong word, but more focused set of reporting using Tableau or whatever they want to do. And I think that's going to be a real big benefit to a lot of companies there.